Creating Spotify keyboard shortcuts. I'm on Windows 10 64-bit, using Spotify desktop free version. Is there a way to create keyboard Spotify shortcuts to pause, play, and skip tracks while outside Spotify? I don't want to keep opening it. I might be browsing or coding. I need quick shortcuts.
This feature has already been requested, and Spotify developers have manifested their lack of interest in adding it in the near future. Hey everyone, Spotify staff here. We wanted to update this idea as it's continued to gain kudos. Right now we don't have any plans to implement this, so we're marking it as not right now. However, you can still solve it with third-party software, like Auto Hotkey. Once you have installed it, you only have to add a script like the following. This will assign the following shortcuts. Alt plus, right arrow, A to skip to the next song. Alt plus, left arrow, A to go to the previous song. Alt plus, down arrow, A to play or pause the currently playing song. Of course, you can modify the script to fit your key preferences. More info about that in Auto Hotkey docs. The benefits of this is that it will work with other media playing programs, such as VLC or Windows Media Player, because they trigger the OS's media keys.
Try Toast-Tiffy. From the website, Toast-Tiffy adds some missing functionality to the Spotify client, Windows only. It shows a pop-up, Toast style, dialog on track change, and it allows you to use global hotkeys for play/pause, next, previous etc. I've used it before to add hotkeys in Windows 7 and 8, works pretty well.